Hi, I'm Derek, and according to my landlord, this passes as a closet light. A little while ago, this light stopped working. It's just hanging by the wire. So I want to see if I can kind of reassemble this and also prevent it from stopping working with one of these and some wire. Let's take it out of the ceiling then. Not as gross as I expected. Cool. God, that's nasty. Yes, it fits.
I decided to use solid wire because I didn't like how much the stranded wire was squishing out from under the screw.
What?
First I tried to do something like this, and then I remembered that the threaded part the wire needs to go through can be unscrewed from the socket.
Ah, come on. I wanted a little thread lock.
Then I bent the wires so they'll fit through the hole.
Nice. Now we're good to go.
I always use lever nuts because they're easier and safer. Here's a picture of them connected because you couldn't see it in the video.
Oh, finally. Alright, good job.